Hey, bud.
You got a problem with posters?
Yes.
Yeah, no, tell me.
Why?
Well, if you can't talk about your own problems with it.
Down our posters. That's not very nice.
I would like
I'd
those
at least
once
like
you're
a
done with
reason.
them so we can put them back up there.
Why tearing them down, bud?
I don't know. Why recording and playing?
Well, because you're tearing down our posters, bud.
It's not very cool. You're not very cash money. Too low energy to even talk, man.
Well, he doesn't really know why his programming is how it is.
Kind of like your friends when they wear the mask better than what one.
Okay. Well, I'm glad that you like things. I am very glad that Brett Kavanaugh is going to be.
Oh man, I'm so happy, man. Brett Kavanaugh going to the court tomorrow. Oh, I'm gonna get so drunk and celebrate. It's gonna be awesome.
Okay. I'm glad you like things and have hobbies. Like, I'm not sure what takeaway you want there. Okay.
I think you're done.
Hey.